Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Alex Guarnaschelli Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting cookbooks for home cooks. It's a culinary journey guided by a celebrated chef, offering a unique perspective on creating delicious meals. With a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, this cookbook promises to elevate your cooking skills and inspire you in the kitchen. Number 5. Cook with Me, 150 Recipes for the Home Cook. Are you ready to elevate your home cooking? This cookbook is packed with 150 recipes. It's designed to inspire and guide you in the kitchen. Inside, you'll find recipes that are easy to follow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, it offers something for everyone. This book covers a wide range of dishes. It includes everything from appetizers to desserts, ensuring a complete culinary experience. This cookbook is perfect for any occasion. It provides ideas for weeknight dinners or special gatherings. Let this be your go-to guide in the kitchen. It will help you create memorable meals and explore new flavors. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes perfect for everyday cooking. It's packed with diverse and approachable recipes, making it ideal for those who love to cook at home. If you are looking for a cookbook that provides a broad range of options for any meal, you should consider this one. What people say. These are absolutely terrific recipes. It is a nice big book with beautiful pictures and has recipes for just about everything. The recipes are clear, easy to follow and delicious and are made with ingredients anyone can find, and probably already has. Number 4. Old School Comfort Food, The Way I Learned to Cook. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious, comforting meals. It's filled with recipes that will bring back fond memories. You'll love it. Inside, you'll find recipes passed down through generations. The book teaches you the techniques needed to master these classic dishes. It's a treasure trove of culinary wisdom. The recipes use simple, accessible ingredients. The result is extraordinary flavors that will impress your family and friends. You will be amazed. This book shares the author's personal journey and cooking secrets. It's like having a mentor in your kitchen. You will learn a lot. Get ready to create unforgettable meals with this cookbook. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. You will enjoy it. What we like. This cookbook focuses on old-school comfort food, offering a nostalgic cooking experience. It's perfect for those who enjoy classic dishes and want to learn how to cook them the way they used to be made. If you like traditional, hearty meals and want to learn the basics, you should consider this one. What people say. There are a lot of recipes in this book, and they're all about delicious home cooking, whether for weeknights or special occasions. Every recipe has a gorgeous color photo. She offers tips in the form of what she learned through her life experiences with a personal spin. Number 3. Essential Air Fryer Cookbook for 2. Are you looking for a way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt? This cookbook is perfect for you. It offers perfectly portioned recipes designed for 2, making healthy eating easy and delicious. This cookbook is tailored for couples or individuals. It provides a variety of recipes that are easy to follow and create the perfect amount of food. It's a great way to enjoy a satisfying meal without leftovers. With this cookbook, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods with less fat and fewer calories. It utilizes the air fryer to create crispy, delicious meals. It's a healthier way to indulge in your cravings. The recipes are designed to be simple and straightforward. It includes clear instructions and readily available ingredients. You'll be able to create amazing meals with minimal effort. Get ready to transform your cooking with this essential cookbook. It's packed with a variety of recipes that will inspire you. It's the perfect companion for your air fryer. What we like. This cookbook is tailored for air fryer enthusiasts, offering perfectly portioned recipes for 2. It allows you to enjoy healthier fried favorites with ease. If you are looking for a way to cook delicious, crispy food with less oil, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy, nice pictures and uses common ingredients. As someone who was new to the air fryer, it was nice to start with this cookbook. Once I got used to the air fryer, I make my own recipes and rarely use this. However, this was a great starter book. What I appreciate it most were the tips and introduction for how to best use the air fryer itself. This is an attractive and well-written cookbook, featuring recipes for two. The directions are clear, and the ingredients lists are short. There are lots of good recipes in quantities for just two. So, no need to figure out how to cut a recipe in half, or sometimes in thirds or quarters. That work is already done for you, and that is a pleasant advantage. Although not as prolific as many cookbooks these days, there are plenty of good recipes to try on your air fryer. Number 2. 101 Asian Dishes, Authentic Recipes. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey? This book opens the door to a world of vibrant flavors and authentic recipes. It's a must-have for any food lover. Inside, you'll find 101 diverse Asian dishes, each with its own unique story. It offers a wide range of options, from quick weeknight meals to impressive dishes for special occasions. The recipes are carefully crafted to bring you the true taste of Asia. This guide provides clear instructions and readily available ingredients, making it easy to recreate these dishes at home. Prepare to be amazed by the variety of tastes and textures. This book will transform your cooking and introduce you to a new world of culinary possibilities. You will love it. Don't miss out on these incredible recipes. It's a culinary adventure you won't regret. Get ready to cook and enjoy. What we like. This cookbook introduces you to a world of authentic Asian flavors. It features 101 dishes that are a must-try for any food lover. If you like exploring new cuisines and expanding your culinary horizons, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes are well written and easy to follow. The book contains a variety of recipes, from simple weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes. The cookbook includes helpful tips and techniques throughout. Number 1. 5-ingredient cooking for two, 100 recipes. Are you tired of cooking large meals when you only need a small portion? This cookbook is perfect for couples or individuals. It offers 100 recipes designed specifically for two people, using only 5 ingredients. Each recipe is carefully crafted to minimize waste and maximize flavor. It's designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. You'll find a variety of dishes, from appetizers to desserts, all perfectly portioned for two. With simple instructions and readily available ingredients, this book makes cooking a breeze. It simplifies meal preparation without sacrificing taste. You'll be able to create delicious meals with minimal effort. The focus is on fresh, high-quality ingredients to create amazing results. It proves that you don't need a lot of ingredients to make a fantastic meal. This book will change the way you think about cooking for two. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, this book has you covered. It provides a wide range of recipes to suit any taste or dietary preference. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to cook for two. What we like. This cookbook simplifies cooking with 5-ingredient recipes, perfectly portioned for pairs. It's designed for quick and easy meals without compromising on flavor. If you are looking for simple, delicious meals for two, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes are pretty simple and would be easy to follow for a beginner. Most of the recipes have boxes at the beginning noting the following: freezer-friendly, 30 minutes or less, 1 pot, feeling fancy, or a combination of some or all of those. With just 5 ingredients per recipe, it makes cooking a breeze, even on the busiest days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.